What is meant by a re-exam regarding a DMV hearing? Attorney Myles Berman explains that. A re-exam notice means that when a person is given this notice within a matter of days, the DMV needs to be contacted because a hearing is to be conducted to determine whether or not the person's license should be suspended. For example, we've represented people who have been pulled over for DUI, or they are in an accident, and oftentimes it's elderly people who come in contact with the police, and in addition to the DUI, the police officer will suspect that a person is unable to operate a car separate and aside from a DUI, and will get them a notice of re-exam and submit it to the DMV. Another scenario would be that person is visiting a doctor's office or a hospital and either complained of passing out, loss of consciousness, and a medical provider feels obligated to report to the DMV of this loss or lapse of consciousness. The DMV will then trigger on its own a notice of re-exam. We've also seen it where a client of ours walked into the DMV and based on the interaction between the people, the person had a disease and the counterperson at the DMV misinterpreted that person's disease as the person not being able to drive a car. That triggered a notice of re-exam as well. In this scenario, this is where the state actually wants to take away your license. We have been very successful with DMV re-exam cases. Contact Top Gun DUI defense attorney Myles L. Berman, serving clients throughout Southern California, and he will represent you with the care and attention you expect.